Welcome back to Casify. Today we are at Vadva Vice City, New Panvel, where you don't just upgrade, you evolve. But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commission and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, the listing is done by the builder and not by the broker. As home buying should be simple and not complicated. Now, let's get back to the project details. 450 acres का ग्रैंड टाउनशिप जहां आधा टाउनशिप सिर्फ डेडिकेटेड है टू ग्रीनरी, सिटी एक्सपीरियंस के साथ एक ऐसी जगह जहां स्पेस भी है, पीस भी और फ्यूचर ग्रोथ भी। और अगर आप अपना ड्रीम होम फ्रॉम स्क्रैच बनाना चाहते हो तो यहाँ प्लॉट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2131 स्क्वायर फीट टू 7000 प्लस स्क्वायर फीट विद लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्रीज एंड ब्यूटिफुल हिल व्यूज। Also, the project has beautiful bungalow options available, लेकिन यहाँ सिर्फ घर तक lifestyle limited नहीं है। Vice City offers 100 plus amenities including a massive 1.8 acre clubhouse, 3.7 acre natural trail jogging track, landscape gardens and open green zone, kids play area and sports zone and retail plaza spread across 50,000 square feet. और सबसे important, Father Agnell School भी within vicinity है, making it perfect for families. लोकेशन वाइज भी ये प्रोजेक्ट एकदम सॉलिड है, बैंग ऑन द ओल्ड मुंबई पुणे हाईवे न्यू पनवेल, मोहपेट रेलवे स्टेशन जस्ट 1.5 किलोमीटर्स, अटल सेतु ओनली 18 मिनट्स, मेकिंग मुंबई अप्रॉक्स 40 मिनट्स अवे एंड द नवी मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट 15 मिनट्स डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट। और डेली कम्यूटर्स के लिए हर 30 मिनट में शटल बस सर्विस अवेलेबल है टुवर्ड्स द पनवेल रेलवे स्टेशन फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट। And now it's time for the sample flat tour. We are entering the 3 BHK of Vadva Vice City. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1155 square feet. Enter करते ही आप देख सकते हो आपको मिलता है एक very spacious foyer area that gives you apartment 100% privacy. To the left of the foyer area is the entrance to your kitchen space, where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the sink. You can customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You have space provided to place your refrigerator. You have also space provided to place your washing machine in your kitchen, and you have ventilation windows. Moving forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area that you can customize totally as per your choice. You can place a sofa, center table. Even after placing all the furniture, you can see you have plenty of walkable space. And attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. Over here, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6-people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. Moving forward, over here we have your alley area that has entrance to all your bedrooms and your common washroom. First, over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, and diagonally opposite to your common washroom we have the entrance to your common bedroom that you can customize as your kids' bedroom if you want to. You can see you have plenty of walkable space in the bedroom. Even after placing all your furniture, you can customize the study corner as well, and you will be getting 3/4 size French windows with a glass facade for beautiful standing balcony look. Moving forward, right beside your first bedroom is the entrance to your second bedroom, which is even more spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space. You can also customize a beautiful seating corner if you wish to. Over here is the entrance to the private washroom of this bedroom, and again you will be getting 3/4 size French windows with glass facade, and you can customize your wardrobe as well. And now it's time to have a look at the most spacious master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, This over here is the most spacious master bedroom of your 3 BHK. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your cabinets in both the corners of the bedroom. That's totally up to you. Again, you will be getting 3-foot size French windows with glass facade. And over here is the entrance to the private washroom of this master bedroom. And with this, we come to the end of the sample flat tour of the residential project Vadhva Vice City. So now time for the real talk. अगर मैं ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ ना, आज के टाइम में प्रॉपर्टी लेना सिर्फ घर लेना नहीं है. इट्स अबाउट फ्यूचर सिक्योरिटी, लाइफस्टाइल और स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट. यहाँ मुझे सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग क्या लगता है, दैट इज़ द स्पेस. मुंबई में स्पेस मिलना लग्जरी है और यहाँ वो भी ग्रीनरी के साथ मिल रहा है. दूसरा, कनेक्टिविटी. आज पनवेल फास्ट डेवलप हो रहा है और कल ये प्राइम लोकेशन बनने वाला है. और तीसरा, ऑप्शंस. चाहे रेडी होम चाहिए या अपना खुद का बंगलो बनाना हो, दोनों फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल रही है. सिंपल बात, ये सिर्फ घर नहीं है, ये लॉन्ग टर्म विजन है. अगर आप भी एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी देख रहे हो जो आज भी वैल्यू दे और कल भी ग्रो करे, तो वाइस सिटी डेफिनेटली डिजर्व्स योर अटेंशन. साइट विजिट बुक करो, एक्सपीरियंस करो स्पेस और डिसाइड करो स्मार्टली. डिटेल्स के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक करो या डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट करो. और वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू कासिफाई.